For those looking for G80 exhaust updates, the mid-pipe updates, this video is gonna be the one for you. I finally have an update, and of course, as always, it's on the flanges. I'm heading to pick them up right now. This is real time, so let's see if we're gonna be disappointed or happy, because this is a make or break if this thing's able to be pre-ordered or not. So, I'm a little scared. All right, words actually can't describe how excited I am. So as we know, this is the design that I have right now. If you can see it, it's got a little bevel on it, and it's got like an indent to put the pipe in. Very simple design. You wouldn't believe how hard it is for people to make things competently. So we're gonna see. Open this on camera. You're gonna get my live reaction of if this is it or not. Also, you pack this up well, huh? It's in this bag. I swear this thing is flat. Oh my gosh. How much of packaging do you possibly have to have? What car is that? A Mustang? Jeez. Come on, big money, big money, big money. I think it does. This is it. Oh, thank goodness. Bro, look, exactly the same. Oh, thank the Lord. Oh man, we did it. We did it. We finally got the flange. Oh my God. I am so happy right now. Oh my God. This goes to show 3D printing. 3D printing is definitely it. The holes line up and everything. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh. Oh wow, this means that we can actually test fit this to the car now. I'm so happy. Oh my God. Just so you can see again, it is my design, actually made properly this time. Oh my God, it's even got the right, yeah, it really shows, really goes to show good things come to people who wait. You don't understand how important this was. This was the only thing holding us up. I can't believe we can actually make this exhaust now. Oh, I gotta go pick up some piping just to make sure this is actually 3-inch. Oh my God, wow. All right, let's go pick up the piping. And as promised, oh, hold on, Touareg is now up on the truck and it's heading to Flat Out Industries. That is the shop that does all the work on my Touareg, all the diesel stuff. No way I'm letting anyone else get it, because look, they did me right when it was at its worst. So thank you, Dan Oberst at Flat Out Industries. I will see you up there. Well, I won't see you, but you'll probably see the car when you get up there. All right, so we're now at Flat Out Industries. I've already talked to the inside there, but Touareg is right there. We're gonna hope it's something simple. Like if it's an injector, I'm happy to be wrong, because that'll be the cheapest way to do all of this. If it's exhaust manifold, Lord help me. And let's hope that the valve cover is not melted, because that has happened before. So otherwise, time to drive back home. We're gonna leave it here. I'm gonna pay the estimate for diag, and then we're gonna see what happens. That thing though, very reliable. 20,000 miles since the last issue with the same thing, so I don't even care. Shout out to Volkswagen. All right, Jordan out.